Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get the Add Tools tab back in the Instagram app. If the Add Tools section and option is disappeared from your Instagram app and you want them so you can manage your ads, then I'll show you how you can fix this issue and what could be the reason behind it. So first you have to make sure that you have the Instagram app and just simply open it up. And once you open the app, you will be onto its homepage. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to your profile. So once you get to your profile, then you will be onto this page. Once you get to your settings and activity, there you have to look for add tools. The option will be there, but let's say you couldn't get it, then this could be because of the app glitch. This option is available for everyone who has the public account. So in that case, you first have to simply clear out the app cache. Just simply go to the settings of the app and clear out the cache. Once you do it, just simply get back and make sure that your app is updated. So for that reason, go to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. And once you search for Instagram, if there's any app update available, then just simply update it. So if your app wasn't updated, then this could be the issue behind that add tool section not appearing. So just simply update it. Wait for a while. Once the app gets updated, then you just have to simply open it up, and this time you just have to simply check for the options and the add tools option will be there, and through it you can manage your ad, you can control it, and for whatever reason you want that feature, you can do it. So that's how you can get the add tools option in Instagram app if it has disappeared. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.